Gentlemen, let's face it, we all want to be that guy. The one who walks into a room and makes heads turn. But the truth is, looking and feeling attractive does not require a six-pack or $1 million. It's about mastering the art of confidence, style, and charm. Stick around, because today, I am going to give you simple and actionable tips to level up your attractiveness game instantly. Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe. Join our tribe of men who are out here crushing life. Your support means the world, and you do not want to miss out on what's coming next. Tip 1. Perfect your posture. First things first, straighten up. Stop slouching like you're carrying the weight of the world on your back. Good posture exudes confidence and strength. Stand tall, shoulders back, and chest slightly out, like you own the room. Think of Captain America walking into battle. Try this. The next time you walk into a room, imagine a string pulling you up from the top of your head. Trust me, women notice the way you carry yourself. Tip 2. Master grooming basics. Gentlemen, there is no excuse for looking like you just crawled out of bed. Get a haircut that suits your face, trim that beard, or shave it clean. And never underestimate the power of smelling good. Pro tip, invest in a signature cologne that fits your vibe. It's like your invisible armor. Think James Bond. Always groomed, always irresistible. Tip 3. Dress to impress. Even for yourself, you do not need a designer wardrobe. You need clothes that fit well and suit your style. A crisp white shirt, a pair of well-fitted jeans, and clean shoes can make you look like $1 million. Ladies love a guy who knows how to dress. Bonus tip, roll up your sleeves casually. Trust me, it screams sexy without trying too hard. Tip 4, eye contact and a killer smile. Your eyes and smile are your ultimate weapons. When you talk to someone, look them in the eye. It shows confidence and interest. And for the love of everything holy, smile more. But not the creepy grin, a warm, genuine smile. Imagine you just won the lottery, but want to keep it low-key. Tip 5, be an active listener. Here's the deal, women love a good listener. Put your phone down, nod at the right moments, and ask thoughtful follow-up questions. It shows you care. For example, if she says she loves hiking, say, "That's awesome. What's your favorite trail?" Boom. Connection level. Expert. Tip 6. Confidence is key. Fake it if you must. Confidence is the ultimate attraction booster. Even if you do not feel it, act like you do. Walk with purpose. Speak clearly, and do not second-guess yourself. A quick hack? Practice power poses before heading out. Stand like Superman for 2 minutes and watch your confidence shoot through the roof. Tip 7. Be passionate about something. Nothing is more attractive than a man who's excited about life. Whether it is your career, a hobby, or a cause, let that passion shine. Talk about it with energy. Enthusiasm is contagious, and women are drawn to men who have a purpose. Just remember, do not turn it into a 45-minute lecture. Tip 8. Work on your fitness. This is not about looking like The Rock. It is about showing that you care about your health. Hit the gym, go for a run, or take a dance class. Physical activity boosts your confidence and gives you that natural glow. Bonus, it makes your clothes fit better. Conclusion. And there you have it. 8 ways to instantly look and feel more attractive. Remember, it is not about perfection. It is about presenting the best version of yourself. Confidence, grooming, style, and attitude. These are things every man can control. Start small, stay consistent, and you will see the results sooner than you think. If you found these tips helpful, do not forget to smash that like button. Share your thoughts in the comments below, And of course, subscribe for more game-changing advice. Let us build a community of confident, attractive men together. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Stay awesome.